Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we got one last thing for the scooter to make it the best Chinese scooter it can be. So it's the issue of the can you see me here? The front brakes, right? So the front brakes had never worked since I got the thing, and I had trouble getting the reservoir cap off. So I got a couple of things to try. The first thing I got is a hammer and take a screwdriver, and we're gonna try and, you know, I'll put a screwdriver on there and try to bust it loose. It's just one of the two screws. So, and then if that doesn't work, then we got plan B, which is I got a Dremel for my that works with I got the Ryobi 18 volt 1+ system, so I can plug one of my batteries in, and it's a rotary tool, and we'll cut a slot in the screw and try to get it out that way. If plan B fails, plan C is I got basically a set of easy outs, and we'll try to get it out that way. But, you know, I'm trying to not mess it up as, you know, and make it so that it, you know, it's screwed up. So, geez, fucking geese, man. So I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and we're gonna try to see if we can get this thing popped off. I think it's just empty of brake fluid. So, because I tried opening the bleeder and I didn't really see anything going on. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's see if we can fix this. Hang on. All right, so you can see that this guy is just cashed out. This one spins, this one doesn't. I've even tried, like, you know, loosening this. Maybe what we could try to do is loosen this screw and just kind of tap it and see if we can break it free. Let's see if we can do that. This is the one thing I didn't try yet. I'm just trying to avoid, you know, getting too drastic, right? You take progressing levels of action, right? So I'm not trying to. Let's see here. Hang on a second. All right, let's see if we can. I don't really think it's gonna move because it's probably in a channel, right? Trying to shock it a little bit. All right, well, she's stuck for good. The next step is the Dremel. So let me grab my stuff and we're gonna try to cut a channel in here. That doesn't work. We're going to the drill with the easy outs. So, all right, we'll be back. And maybe I'll grab my chest rig so that you guys can see me do it while I'm doing it. All right, hang on. All right, everybody. So what I got is I got a Dremel, some cutoff wheels, and I got this Ryobi 1+ 18 volt rotary tool. So let's dig into this here. That's batteries not included. Not for $80, I'll tell you that much. It's kind of cool. See, it's actually kind of neat. It's got, you know, like a small pen like deal, and then it's got the cord that goes to the box. So it's like a motor. There's like a motor and a speed controller in this box, right? Some kind of clip apparently. So here's the shaft that it goes into, and here's your speed control, and on and off. That's about it. This looks like, yeah, this like, whoops, slides in here like that, and then that allows you to set the rotary tool in there like that, which is pretty cool. So you can just, so I think we just snap in our battery pack. Oh, you can hear it. Nice. All right, so let's put this on here. Just thread this on. Okay. It is pretty flexible. It's kind of nice. All right, you can see it spinning. Cool. All right, so let's get this Dremel cutoff wheel open. I got the one that comes with, I think it's like a speed load or something. It should fit this collet, I'm hoping so. Unless, you know, Dremel's assholes like that, and it won't fit in here. But, you know, you kind of figure a rotary tool is a rotary tool. It should work. And this is some kind of speed lock design, apparently, or something. Exactly. Oh, yeah. See that? So you pull this down. So I'm assuming you, like, pull this down, and then there you go. That's kind of cool. You just pull this collar down, put it in, turn it 90 degrees, and it's a wrap. And then, oh, yeah. How do you tighten this thing though? That's the real question. Oh, maybe this little button. Yeah, there you go. Oh, and there's supposedly a little wrench here. There's probably a wrench somewheres in here, but let's get it finger tight. Okay. All right, so let's see what kind of damage we can do here. Hopefully not to ourselves, but let's see. Are we maxed out on the camera? All right, you can see me. That's working. All right, let's start with that. Let's see. I don't want to cut too much into the case, but let's see if we can find a flat plate here. There we go. My good old Menards special. You guys go to Menards, you've seen these wooden handles, see? Menards. Free gift. All right. Oh. Hey! That's it. We got it. Yeah, we might just put that right back in. Shit. That worked perfectly. All right. Let's put this screw over here. Let's open Capone's vault. Poor Geraldo. And let's see what happens here. What in the fuck? You guys, what is that, fucking sawdust? Hang on. What in the fuck is this? Yo. There's your problem, ma'am. Let's put some sawdust in here. I have never seen anything like this. Okay, well, I guess what we're I can't stop laughing. I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this all cleaned out of here, and so maybe I should break the banjo here, banjo bolt, and what in the fuck? Yeah, so I guess we're gonna need some brake fluid too. So, you know what? Maybe what I'm gonna do is I'll go over to the auto parts store. I'll get some, carbon choke cleaner and some brake fluid, because that's not brake fluid. That's brake cake or something, or sawdust or something. All right, guys. I'll head over to the store and we'll see if we can get this working. All right, we'll talk to you. Easy. All right, so let's take a look at this again. Dun, dun, dun. What the hell, man? So I got a 12 millimeter. I'm gonna take off this banjo. Insert banjo music here. See if we can make it do what it do. Yo! Dang. Hang on, let me get you out of the rig here. Let's try not to spray carbon choke cleaner all over my $1,500 phone. Let's go in the back. Doctor's orders. She's percolating, I guess. All right, so she's looking real healthy. Well, I think the next thing to do is for me to try to clean this up a little bit more, and we'll bring you back. Look at that thing. Yikes. All right, guys, we'll bring it back. I don't really like the way this kind of looks here. I'm just gonna take my knife and we're gonna try to give this thing a fighting chance at sealing on the rubber gasket here. Just gonna easily go over here. You can tell it's like really corroded. Somehow I think water got in here. Maybe that's what. I've never seen brake dust turn into brake sawdust. Did I say brake dust? I mean brake fluid turn into sawdust. So we're just gonna. Oh God! I really don't know what the whole deal was there, though. So the next thing to do is I think we'll put the banjo bolt back on, and we'll come down here to the brake. We'll open up the bleeder, and we'll put some brake fluid in, open the bleeder, and we'll start pumping her up. Oh yeah, I got a lot of. Hopefully I didn't fuck up some seal here, because now it's a big floppy donkey. You know what? Flip it and reverse it. Fucking Missy Elliott. Alright. Like I said, this is all floppy doppy now. Alright guys, well here's some good news. We got good old brake fluid coming out of the whatchamacallit and the bleeder. So I'm just gonna add. I put some brake fluid in, and now it seems like it's. I took a bolt and I pushed in. You can push in here, and it pushes the pin out that comes from this side. This piece pushes on a pin, and pushes that plunger back and forth, right? So what I'm gonna do is I already filled it up once, a bunch came out. I'm gonna fill it up and you have the bleeder closed and, you know, try to build some pressure and we'll see what happens. Let me, let's get you in the rig here. Well, I think what we're gonna have to do is take that, that pin is kind of frozen up in here. So I'm gonna take this off, we'll get out the brake fluid and we'll attack this thing off the bike. All right, hang on a second. Work until she gets stiff. I mean, we got brake fluid in the line. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to keep going with it. So if I take it off, I'll bring you back. If we can get it to pump you up, then I'll bring you back for that too. All right. Either way, one way or another, we'll be back. All right, guys. So here's the outcome. I took it off, and she just is no pumping. So I think what I'm gonna do is look on Amazon and see if I can get another one. You know what's interesting? When you look at this, look at this. It's like it's like almost identical to my Grom setup. You know, this has got the mirror blank off plug or whatever. This doesn't, but like I could just look on here, since I don't need, you know, one with a mirror. I'm just gonna look on Amazon or eBay. I'm gonna try Amazon first. See if I can just get a whole new master cylinder. There's a switch for the brakes or whatever. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. And so everything else, you know, I got it back together. Oh yeah, brake fluid and choke cleaner, not too great, but you know, we'll get it taken care of. Maybe a little spritz there once it's all dry. Some black paint, I think I have some. Maybe we'll just like mask this off and do it on just on that side or whatever, but you know, it is what it is. So all right, guys, we'll see you when the parts come back in, and we'll just give a quick rundown and let you know how it worked out. All right, guys, we'll talk to you. Easy.